Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale haul. So as you can see, I have a huge box here because I actually did it online. I am not someone who likes to shop in store. That's just not my preference. I know a lot of people prefer to shop in store. You can get, like, you can smell everything yourself. I don't like shopping in stores, and that goes for everything, not just Bath & Body Works. I would much rather shop online in my comfy clothes. That's just me. So I have a big box and a small box. I got candles and some body care, mostly candles. I do this once a year. Usually, I usually do it on Candle Day, but I actually worked on Candle Day, and by the time I remembered it was Candle Day, I went online and all the candles were sold out. So I didn't participate in that. So I waited until the day after Christmas, or the 27th. I can't remember what day it was, but the first day that the sale started, they had $10 candles, I think it was. So I got a bunch of candles. So we're just gonna hop right into this and smell everything because these boxes are in my way and I need to, like, get my shit together. So I think I don't even remember how many candles I got. Is that bad? It was like I was on my phone. I don't know. Okay, did any of you guys have that issue? If you ordered online this sale, did you have an issue with you were checking out at the first day of the sale and, like, you put in your information, it would spit it back out. It would say your card was, like, not declined, but it wasn't incorrectly, and then, like, the shipping wasn't working, and, like, everything was going wrong. But I finally got my order, like, 3 hours later. What is this hair? I'm so sorry. Anyway, so here's some wrap stuff. We have a little coupon. First thing I got these because at my job we have these gloves, and they have powder in them, and then when you take your hands out of them, your hands are super dry. So I did get a couple little hand lotions, and these are all of Vanilla Noel. That's my favorite scent that they've ever come out with, is Vanilla Noel, so it's kind of my go-to. I'm gonna keep these with me at work so then I can just keep my hands moisturized. But yeah, I got 3 of them. It's my favorite scent. They were like $3 or something, or less than that. I don't even know. So now we have 3 candles. This is like such a struggle. Okay, so the first one we have is Sugared Snickerdoodle. Looks like this. I'm gonna, like, try to focus everything, but who knows. So it looks like that. The packaging's super, super pretty. White, oh my god. Okay. You know, I swear to goodness, every year I'm like, I'm not going to order as many candles, but, like, oh my god, this smells so good. I don't know if it says it. Warm and Spices, Creamy Vanilla, Sugared Musk. It smells so, so good. So I got that one. And then I got Spiced Apple Toddy. I actually got this in a smaller candle a couple months ago, I think it was. So now, oh my god, I'm sorry, this is like driving me mental. No, stop. So I think I got this a couple months ago in a smaller candle, but I liked it so much that I was like, when this sale happens, I'm definitely gonna buy a regular sized one. So I'm definitely saving this one for the fall though. Oh my god, yes, absolutely. This packaging's super, super pretty, and it has a snowflake on top. The other one just had, like, little, like, zigzag design. Now I have actually a White Barn candle. I don't think I've ever had a White Barn candle, because at my Bath & Body Works they don't have a White Barn. Like, I know some Bath & Body Works have a White Barn, like, attached to it. So this is Pumpkin Apple. Again, I got this for, like, fall time. So okay, this one's very light. I have to, like, really sniff it. It smells really nice though. I get the apple. I don't really get the pumpkin. So got that one. That box is empty. I always love their boxes because they're very, like, pretty. Anyway, Now onto this huge box we have over here. Okay, so let's see. I just want to tell you guys how much the candles actually were. Excuse you. $9.46. Each candle was $9.46. Also, I used the little add-on honey. This is not sponsored at all, but it's just a little add-on you add to your desktop or your internet browser. And when you go to, like, if you're shopping on a website, you just press honey and it comes up with like all these coupon codes, and you can just automatically add it and it'll find any coupon codes that work. So that's what I used, and I got like I don't know, $10 off, 40 or something. I got some coupon code. Again, like I said, I love Vanilla Bean Noel, so I got 2 fragrance mists, 3 body washes, and then a body cream. I think that's all I got, and those are all in Vanilla Bean Noel. Now back into the candles. So first one I have, ooh, it has a copper lid. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So pretty. Okay, so this is Campfire Donut. Oh my god. This smells like Krispy Kreme. If you guys watch my latest vlog, we went to Krispy Kreme in Maine. We drove like 4 hours to go get donuts. Oh my god, this smells like Krispy Kreme. I have to show Ashley this one. But this one's so cute. It has like kind of like a wood pattern. Super pretty. Next one we have is Spiced Gingerbread Swirl. Did I already have a spiced gingerbread? Am I crazy? No. The other one was sugared snickerdoodle something. Okay, so this one looks like this. Ooh. I get more spice than sweet, which is actually nice. But the packaging is super, super cute. I love the little, like, iridescentness with it. Alrighty, next one. Oh my gosh, the lid on this one's so pretty. Next one we have Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. Oh my god, this is one of my favorite candles. Like, every time any brand comes out with it, I always buy it. I think I bought more fall candles than Christmas candles. I'm totally okay with that though. Oh my god, that smells so good. And the lid is so cute. So, so cute. Next one has a little, I almost said snow globe, snowflake. This is Blueberry Sugar. Okay, I was debating getting this one, and I was like, I love blueberry. This smells like, you know those like rainbow belts of like, they're like Airhead sours. That's exactly what this smells like. Sweet blueberries, brown sugar, and graham cracker crust. It smells like those like strips, those rainbow strips of Airheads. That's exactly what this smells like. We have another snowflake lid. This is Cinnamon Caramel Swirl. Ooh, okay, this one actually smells like a wax melt that I have. That smells really good though. As you can tell, I really like the foodie scents, so this one smells really good. Then I literally got like one summer candle. This is a watermelon lemonade. I basically got this because I know my mom would be obsessed with it, so you're welcome, Mom. Oh my god, this smells so good though. Oh my god. I don't even know what that smells like, but it smells so good. So, look how pretty. It's just regular lid. This is ridiculous. I should not have bought this many candles. Next one. Oh, this has a cute lid. It has like little trees. And it's like, it's more of like a gold. This is Marshmallow Fireside. I get this every year. Ah, I love this one. Just reminds me of the fall. And like campfires and flannels. Because I don't like the smell of the flannel candle. This is like my go-to whenever I want like a sentimental candle. Not sentimental. I don't know what word I'm trying to think of. Oh my god, I got so many freaking candles, guys. Okay, I know I got 2 of these. Again, Vanilla Bean Noel, you guys know, is my favorite. So I got 2 Vanilla Bean Noel candles. My god, I would literally die for this candle. I would die for this scent. I really would. So good. Okay, we're nearing the end. Next one we got. Ooh, okay. So I was going in between packages. They had like 2 different ones of these. I liked this design the best, but they're all frosted cranberry, so I got this one. Frosted cranberry smells so good. I got my mom this candle for Christmas, and I had to buy one for myself, so got that candle. Oh my god, the lid is beautiful. You can't really see it well. It looks like wood. This one is peppermint marshmallow. I got twisted peppermint before. I didn't like it too much. So I was like, I like peppermint and I like marshmallow. Maybe I'll like this one more. Oh my god, yes. I think I'm gonna melt this. I think I'm gonna burn this one. Like, right after this video. Oh my god. That smells almost like mint chocolate chip like. This is very, very good. I like that one. I think we only have 3 left, guys. Okay. This one is another Vanilla Bean Noel. Like I said, I got 2. I can never get enough, I swear. Then we have, what is this? Gelato. I have heard so much about this. I actually have an Instagram like wax and candle page, which is Oh So Waxy. I'll put it down below if you guys are interested. But everyone was stocking up on this, and I never smelled it before. So I was like, you know what? I'll get it to see if I like it. Oh my god. Oh my god, that smells so good. It's like raspberry-y. So it says, creamy sweet blend of raspberry and strawberry with an effervescent sponge sugar finish becomes the perfect fragrance. It's like raspberry cotton candy. That smells so good. That's really good. So you guys weren't lying. What is the last candle? It has a Christmas tree on top. What are you? Struggle. Okay, seriously? Okay. This is Vanilla Snowflake. I had this candle, I think, if it's the same scent. This is different. This is different, but it still smells very good. This is Vanilla Snowflake. I love the little packaging. Oh, no, it's the same candle. To me, it smells like the blue cotton candy Go-Gurt. If you guys ever had Go-Gurt, that's what this smells like. I love it. I love it. I got 16 candles. I feel like that's a movie. Is that a movie, 16 Candles? I think it is. Anyway, so I got 16 candles, some body care. That's literally all Vanilla Bean Noel. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you shopped at the sale, please let me know what you got. I'm really interested to know. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.